Well, hi, good morning. So again, I'm back after like 2 days of holiday, and now let's talk about the trade setup today. So there are two things here. One is the Nifty actually has started trading below 9560, which was a very important level for the market. Now, until the time we don't cross that level again, Nifty should be said to be in a near-term downtrend. Now, the second thing would be that when actually Nifty could be reversing in terms of if are we going up after the recent correction, that would be around 9560, and again if that level is taken out, we'll go straight to 9640. For now, if you take a look at the Qs, the volumes have not been materially high, so which means if the volumes are not increasing, there is not very strong conviction in the short selling also, or as we say in the bearish move by Nifty. But what does the levels look like on the downside? 9370 is what actually could be the next support if the Nifty continues its fall. Where is the Bank Nifty, which has been a very strong support for Nifty? Bandwidth 23,000. If that is taken out, that would be a red flag for the markets. Now, in terms of for today, again, till the time we actually trade below 9560, you should expect softness in the markets, and markets actually could go on drifting. And I think if I look just at the support levels, the next support would be coming at 9450. And that's why actually around that we actually basically saw some strength coming in yesterday also. So once that level is taken out, perhaps what we are seeing, good crossovers, good basically support has been taken out. So Nifty actually is drifting lower. July FNO series is showing a range of 9400 to 9800. That's what you should focus on. Don't focus on June range. So 9400 to 9800, 400 point range. 9400 is very nearby, and that's why I'm telling you, because there is no sharp rise in volumes, we have not yet seen strong breakdown of Bank Nifty, and that's why actually you cannot just go out and aggressively short the markets, but then also be very cautious. Nifty actually indeed has given a weak signal, which means that while you can still be comfortable on sector leaders, but again the stocks below that, a lot of stocks would be having low liquidity, would not be actually having good free float. So again those stocks actually could see a very sharp cuts. So be very cautious. Markets are showing divergence after good distributions. So at such times, though buyers could be buy on dips till the time Nifty is trading above 9200, but what we should actually imply that yes, Nifty continues to be in a buy on dip market, but for now, because the markets are correcting slightly, you should be slightly cautious. Hold your gunpowder till the time actually Nifty starts telling you that yes, the buying is slowly coming back, and just keep your selection very focused on your own favorite stocks which you wanted to buy. Perhaps you're going to get good levels in those stocks. So overall, the market actually is looking very interesting in terms of caution, and also the global cues are not that great today. Metal stocks, you can actually see them gaining strength today. The LME based metal prices, they have been inching higher continuously over the last 4-5 days. Again, yesterday copper, zinc, they all moved up, and again we know Hindustan Zinc did very well. So again, metal stocks should be doing well in the trade. Apart from that, FMCG stocks saw some buying, though not well distributed, but still that pocket actually was showing strength. Now again, I will look crude with a great degree of interest, because the crude prices were not breaking down. For $43 was defended by WTI crude. Traders actually at that level actually is continuously defended. Perhaps that range, the old range again of between 43-55 could be coming back in action. So again, till the time $43 is being maintained, again there is good reason to be optimistic for the crude price also. If I look in terms of what stocks are coming out of FNO band, that again should be very interesting. So stocks like Bank of India, HDIL, Vocard, they are coming out of FNO band. So just be basically ready for some good action there. Again, Aditya Birla and Grasim might have their July 5 basically the merger to become effective. Those stocks are really looking very good in terms of long additions. And also apart from that, Pata actually saw good long additions in the July series. So again, that stock could be in action. On the currency side, Euro actually has been looking very strong, 10-month high. So if you are a treasury trader, currency trader, I think it's the Euro USD, that pair basically has been showing a great degree of sign of strength. Overall, it's a day of caution for the markets, day of caution for the Bank Nifty traders also. But just be very selective in terms of metals. I think metals should be one pocket where perhaps some safety would be there. But overall, just watch markets and just slightly be cautious.